Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
Uyanmak,
To get up.
kalkmak,
To brush teeth.
diş fırçalamak,
To wash face.
yüz yıkamak,
To have breakfast.
kahvaltı yapmak,
To take a shower.
duş almak,
To go to work.
işe gitmek,
To go to school.
okula gitmek,
To study.
ders çalışmak,
To work.
çalışmak,
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.